BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 189 of season 3. Today's word is vigorous. The meaning of vigorous is something strong and healthy, involving physical strength, energy or effort, carried out with force or determination. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word vigorous. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Vigorous is spelled as V-I-G-O-R-O-U-S. The word vigorous is used to express a very forceful action. This is an action carried out with huge physical effort and lot of determination. For example, after the surgery, the doctors advised the footballer to abstain from vigorous exercise. Listen carefully how we can use the word vigorous in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Reports about inferior quality of chocolates sold by a leading company were flashed prominently across the media. The company feared that the competition will leverage an advantage out of this. Therefore, it initiated a series of vigorous field activities to assure the customers of their flawless products. Example number 2 of 8. The cases of chain snatching were on the rise in the locality. The criminals would run away on a motorbike after snatching the jewelry. The police carefully studied their movements on CCTV and caught them after a vigorous chase. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. As per the surveys being carried out, the popularity of a particular political party was decreasing. Therefore, the leader of the party launched a vigorous campaign to win back the confidence of the voters. Example number 4 of 8. Andrea had lost to the same opponent in the finals of badminton consecutively for 2 years. The coach advised her to play a more aggressive game in the upcoming match. Hence, she played the finals with a range of vigorous shots and won the game. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The use of computerized systems faced a vigorous opposition from the factory workers and office employees. They feared loss of jobs due to automation. The management handled the case diligently and helped them retain their jobs by imparting skill-based training. Example number 6 of 8. A sudden and heavy snowfall trapped several tourists in the mountains. The locals came together for help and they put in vigorous efforts to rescue the stranded people. They also made the arrangements for food and shelter. Moving on to example number 7 of 8. Arjun Singh retired as fighter pilot from the Air Force few years ago. He is vigorous and fit despite his advanced age. After retirement, he has taken upon himself to motivate youngsters to remain fit and healthy through nutritious diet and regular exercise. Example number 8 of 8. The tourists saw an amazing sight in a wildlife sanctuary. A buffalo and her calf were chased by a tiger. Sensing the danger, the buffalo launched a vigorous attack on the tiger and managed to get away with her calf. Today we learnt the word vigorous, which means something strong and healthy, involving physical strength, energy or effort, carried out with force or determination. Can you frame 3 sentences with vigorous and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 189 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be publishing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.